The Black Duck baseball team is tearing up the baseball diamond this season with a 6-0 record and averaging more than 14 runs per game. They're hoping to stay undefeated today against Cass Lake Beno, who's off to a great start, 4-1, and has won 2 games in a row. These two teams will see each other again on May 12th. Top 1, Cass Lake strikes first. Caleb Fisher with a soft grounder. He's going to get thrown out at first, but Chad Whitner will score. Panthers up 1-0. Black Duck would tie it in the bottom of the first. Bottom 5 now, 2 outs. Trey Volk crushes this one to center field. It scores 1 run. He would end up with a triple. Drake's up 2-1. Still in the 5th inning, 2 outs. Luke Binkley, hard grounder right through the third baseman. It scores 2 runs. Drake's up 8-1. Remember, there's still 2 outs. Trey Volk started all the scoring, and he finishes it. Here he gets a fly ball to fall into no man's land in the center field. That scores 2 runs and seals the victory for Black Duck as they win tonight by a final score of 11-1. They scored 10 runs in the 5th, and all of them came with 2 outs. Unbelievable right there. Other baseball scores for you tonight. Bemidji falls to Grand Forks Red River. Upsala over Bertha Hewitt. McGregor defeats Northland. Northern Freeze defeats Winnemac Crookston over Bagley 13-4. High school softball. Pequot Lakes 10-run win over Pine River Bacchus in 6 innings. Bowerville a winner tonight. Badger Greenbush Middle River shuts out Goodrich Creek Legatsky.